one of the cooks here at the Washington Youth Academy, and today we are going to be making roasted potatoes from our garden, so come along. So first what you want to do is you're going to want to wash your potatoes very well. We are using just a basic brush and water, and we're just going to scrub them until they're clean. So what you're going to want to do first, whenever you're trying to cook something, is make sure you have all your ingredients readily available. So the recipe says oil. Today we don't have oil, so we're just going to go ahead and substitute butter, which is fine if you want to substitute and you think it'll taste good. Most of the time it's going to be good. So as you can see, I got all my ingredients. I got my potatoes. I went ahead and preheated my oven. So now we're just going to prep our potatoes so they are ready to go in. The recipe does say to peel them. I'm not going to peel them today because the skin has extra nutrients that we're going to go ahead and want to eat. So we got our potatoes done. I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball this, which is perfectly fine. If you want to measure out all your spices, you can do so. I just put as much spices in until my heart is happy. So I'm putting in onion, paprika, garlic, salt, and pepper. I'm going to mix it up, toss the potatoes, and get those in the oven.
More pepper.
More pepper. And the good thing about potatoes is you can put as many spices as you want in there. You want to kick it up a little bit, put some cayenne, some red pepper flakes. Go ahead and add to your potatoes. And I'm going to just throw some potatoes in my bowl, get all those spices out. We're going to toss them. I'm wearing gloves. If you're at home, you can just use your hands. Get in there, get dirty. Once everything's coated, I got a prepared baking sheet. Spread it out. Put it in the oven. About 25 to 35 minutes.
At what degree?
At 450. So my oven's on, it's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. We're gonna set my timer for 15 minutes because we're gonna flip the potatoes. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip our potatoes and take a look at how they look. Ooh, it's hot. Be careful, your pan's going to be hot. And there we go. So we're just going to flip them over so they get nice and crispy all around. And they're going to go back in for another 15 minutes and we'll check them to see if they're done. Okay, I think we are done here. Gonna open, oh yeah, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? These should be nice and crispy. I'm gonna just set them down and let them cool down so we don't burn ourselves. And then we're gonna have Miss Jody try them. So this is the final product. The potatoes are pretty creamy on the inside, crunchy on the outside.
Show us.
And the taste test, delicious.